In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Exness with a partner or referral code. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the official sign-up page to completing your registration and verification, with clear tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, head to the official Exness sign-up page. Type the address directly into your browser or use a trusted link. And make sure you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. This helps ensure you're on the legitimate website and not a lookalike. If your browser suggests autofill details from past forms, double-check everything before proceeding. Next, fill in your personal details. You'll be asked for information such as your email and your country or region of residence. Choose your actual country, because this affects which account options and verification requirements you'll see later. Use an email you can access immediately, since you may need to confirm it. Create a strong, unique password that you don't reuse elsewhere. And review the terms and policies before continuing. If the site requests optional contact details, provide accurate information so you can receive important account notifications. Now look for the field labeled partner code or referral code. Depending on your screen size or device, this field may appear directly on the main form or under an expandable section, such as Have a Code. If you have a code, type it carefully and avoid extra spaces. If the field doesn't appear at first, try scrolling or switching to desktop view. Once entered, the system will register it with your account. If you don't have a code, you can leave this field blank and continue. Finally, complete your registration and verification. You'll typically receive an email to confirm your address, open it, and follow the link if prompted. For identity verification, be ready to upload clear photos or scans of your government-issued ID, and in some cases, a document confirming your address. Make sure your name and details match exactly across your account and documents, and use well-lit, uncropped images. Verification times can vary, but you can usually track the status within your account dashboard. After you finish these steps, the referral or partner link is applied automatically. There's nothing extra you need to click. If a code isn't accepted, ensure it's entered correctly, try a different browser, or reach out to support for assistance. Keep your login credentials private and enable additional security features when available for added protection. And that's it. You visited the official page, filled in your details, entered your partner or referral code, and completed registration and verification. Thanks for watching, and take your time to follow each step carefully for a smooth setup.